Alrighty guys, as you can see, we're going for a short video today. We're just doing a sound test from my 2001 Yz125, and we got a 2005 kx85 right there. It's got the big wheel kit. I just got this bike yesterday for $1,200, so we're gonna have a full review later on the channel. But today we're just doing a sound test as full FMF exhaust, and that one has a DEP pipe or something like that. It's really weird. But we're going to start with the YZ first and see what it sounds like. Alrighty, so she sounded pretty good. Now let's move on to the Kawasaki. Alrighty, now we're doing the 85, the Kawasaki. Note that we're doing a sound test before we put an FMF on it to compare the sound. So here's with the off-ramp pipe, and then we'll do another sound comparison with an FMF exhaust on it later in the future. So we are putting an FMF on it. Alrighty, that's all for today. We just did a sound comparison. There will be a full video on that bike right there later on. We'll do a full review, and then we'll compare them, see what kind of riding we can do. Obviously, I'm more experienced with this. I can do cooler stuff, but I am getting better with that. So stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you guys next time.